In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Outline View in Microsoft PowerPoint. Outline View is a powerful way to focus on what really matters in a presentation, your message. It helps you plan, organize, and quickly edit text without getting distracted by themes, images, or animations. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint and loading the presentation you want to work on. You can open an existing file if you've already started, or create a new one if you're beginning from scratch. Think of this view as your content workspace. It's perfect for shaping your ideas before you worry about visuals. With your presentation open, head to the ribbon at the top of the screen and click the View tab. This is where you'll find all the different ways to look at and manage your slides. Under the Presentation Views section, choose Outline View. PowerPoint will switch to a text-focused layout, showing a streamlined outline on the left side. In this outline, you'll see only the slide titles and the main bullet points. That's intentional. By stripping away design elements, you can review the flow of your story, check that each slide earns its place, and quickly spot gaps, repetitions, or sections that need trimming. It's a great way to ensure your presentation has a clear arc from beginning to end. You can edit directly in the outline pane. Click into any title or bullet and start typing. Every change you make here instantly updates the corresponding slide, so you never have to switch back and forth to see results. This is especially helpful for smoothing wording, aligning tone across slides, and tightening long bullets into crisp, scannable lines. Reorganizing is just as simple. Drag a slide title up or down in the outline to change the order of your slides. This makes it easy to group related ideas, build momentum, and refine the pacing without touching the design. As you work, keep titles short and descriptive, and use bullets to support a single clear idea per line. That will pay off later when you add visuals. Outline View is ideal when you're planning a presentation, writing a script, or preparing content before layering in design and animations. It keeps your attention on the message, which is the foundation of a persuasive deck. When you're ready to return to your full slides, go back to the View tab and click Normal. You can switch between these views anytime as your content evolves. And that's how to use Outline View in Microsoft PowerPoint to organize and edit your presentation efficiently. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss more PowerPoint tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.